Recently, economist Chosun released an article that seems to answer the question of many people regarding the reason why Dior managed Jisoo so closely. And it's because of the significant sales and promotion value that Jisoo brings to Dior. The media also provides data that prove why Jisoo deserves to be called the Dior Queen. It can be said that Jisoo is a remarkable success for Dior. In just 2 years, she has generated more than 250 million in EMV and has become the top influencer at Paris Fashion Week. Well, we know that she is not a princess anymore, but a queen. Meanwhile, recently, Jung Hae In his latest interview, briefly revealed the reason he likes to keep props from the drama he has acted in, such as the rapper Airplane letter from the Jisoo in Snowdrop. Hae In mentioned that there is no specific reason, just for the sake of memories. What do you think?